The sum of the maximum and minimum values of the function f of x is equal to modulus of 5x minus 7 plus greatest integral value of x square plus 2x in the interval 5 by 4 comma 2, where square bracket t is the greatest integer less than or equal to t. A good question. So first let us understand the nature of modulus of 5x minus 7. We are given x takes values from 5 by 4 to 2. So multiply by a 5. So 25 by 4 less than or equal to 5x less than or equal to 10. Subtract a 7. 25 by 4 minus 7 less than or equal to 5x minus 7 less than or equal to 3. So minus 3 by 4 less than or equal to 5x minus 7 less than or equal to 3. So what do we know about modulus? Modulus has to be always positive. So lower value cannot be minus 3 by 4. Modulus of 5x minus 7 takes values from 0 to 3. So these are the values of our first function, namely modulus of 5x minus 7 when x takes values from 5 by 4 to 2. Now let's try to understand the nature of gif of x square plus 2x. Gif of x square plus 2x, if we try to understand, let's write this as completion of square. Let us write it as x plus 1 the whole square minus 1. So now let us understand the values the expression x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 takes. We already know x lies between 5 by 4 to 2. So let us add a 1. So I get 9 by 4 less than or equal to x plus 1 less than or equal to 3. Let us square on both the sides. 81 divided by 16 less than or equal to x plus 1 the whole square less than or equal to 9. Now let us subtract a 1. So I think we will get 65 divided by 16 less than or equal to x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 less than or equal to 8. So what does this indicate? This expression is nothing but x square plus 2x. So 65 by 16 less than or equal to x square plus 2x less than or equal to 8. So what are the values gif of x square plus 2x will take? X square plus 2x will lie between 65 by 16 up to 8. 65 by 16 is 4 point something. So gif can take values 4, 5, 6, 7. When x square plus 2x is equal to 8, gif can also take a value 8. So we have understood the maximum value gif of x square plus 2x can take is 8 and the minimum value is equal to 4. And we have already seen about modulus of 5x minus 7, it takes a value 0 to 3. Now let's try to see when will modulus of 5x minus 7 take a value 0. Modulus of 5x minus 7 will take a value 0, namely its minimum value, when x is equal to 7 by 5. When x is equal to 7 by 5, let us understand the value of x square plus 2x. This is going to be 49 by 25 plus 14 divided by 5, which is going to be 14 5s are 70. 70 plus 49 is 119 divided by 25, which is going to be 419 by 25. So what is our understanding? Modulus of 5x minus 7 will take its minimum value 0 when x is equal to 7 by 5. Unfortunately, when x is equal to 7 by 5, our x square plus 2x is taking a value 4 point something. This is the value of x square plus 2x. That means what is the gif of x square plus 2x value? Gif of x square plus 2x value is going to be 4, which is the minimum value. So which is the minimum value. So what is our understanding? Minimum value. We understand that when 5x minus 7 takes a minimum value, namely 0 when x equal to 7 by 5. Greatest integral value of x square plus 2x also takes its minimum value, which is equal to 4. So when this is minimum, this is also minimum. So minimum plus minimum is going to be minimum, and they are assigning small m. Small m, let us call small m to be the minimum value. So minimum value of f of x. Minimum value of f of x is going to be 0 will be the minimum value of modulus of 5x minus 7, and 4 is the minimum value of gif of x square plus 2x. So sum of the minimum values is going to give me a minimum value, which is going to be 4. Similarly, we need to understand about the maximum value. We know that modulus of 5x minus 7 maximum value. maximum value of modulus of 5x minus 7 is equal to 3. That is when x is equal to 2. This is the highest value. What happens to x square plus 2x when x is equal to 2? When x is equal to 2, this takes a value, x square plus 2x will take a value 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. So in which case GIF of x square plus 2x is taking a value 8, which is the maximum value, which is its maximum. So do you understand that when modulus of 5x minus 7 is taking a maximum value, this term also takes a maximum value. So f of x comprises of two terms. One is a mod function, other is a GIF function. When x takes a value when this takes a minimum value, this also takes a minimum value. Minimum plus minimum will give me the minimum value. When this takes a maximum value, this also takes a maximum value. So maximum plus maximum will give me the maximum value. So maximum value of f of x. Maximum value of f of x is going to be 3 is the maximum value of the modulus function, and 8 is the maximum value of the GIF function. So the maximum value of f of x is equal to 11, which is equation 2. So sum of the question is find the sum of minimum and maximum values of f of x. Let us see what is the minimum value. If I remember, the minimum value is equal to 4. The minimum value is equal to 4 and the maximum value of f of x is equal to 11. So the sum of minimum and maximum values is equal to 4 plus 11 is equal to 15. A very good question. What happens here is when this term takes its minimum, the GIF also will take its minimum. When this term takes a maximum, the GIF also takes a maximum. So we are able to understand that the minimum value of f of x is minimum of this plus minimum of this. The maximum value of f of x is the maximum of this and maximum of this. Sum of all the minimum and maximum value is equal to 15, which is an integer type. So the answer to the question is 15.